Federico Rico Morales Hizon, born March 24, 1966, is a Filipino broadcast journalist. He is currently the Senior Vice President for Corporate Relations of SM Investment Corp. since May 6, 2024. Hizon previously worked at BBC World News, anchoring Newsday and Asia Business Report, CNBC Asia, and CNN Philippines. He was the first Filipino anchor for both news networks. After gaining a degree in communication arts and business at De La Salle University, Hizon taught radio, television, and broadcasting courses at the university. He also has a doctorate degree in humanities honoris causa from the University of Northeastern Philippines. Prior to becoming a journalist, Hizon began working at the age of 16 for McDonald's at its first Philippines branch in Manila, where he was part of its inaugural crew, and later at another branch in Green Hills, San Juan. Hizon started his broadcast career at Manila-based GMA Network from 1988 to 1995, where he was responsible for covering capital markets, banking and finance, real estate, investment, and corporate developments. He anchored the daily business program, Business Today, GMA, News Live, and Stock Market Live from the trading floor of the Philippine Stock Exchange. During his tenure, Hizon won the Outstanding Young Men for Broadcast Journalism Award. Hizon then joined CNBC Asia in April 1995, based in Hong Kong, and later in Singapore, where he was the main anchor of the morning edition of CNBC Today, Squawk Box, Market Watch, and Power Lunch. Hizon joined BBC World News in 2002 and anchored the daily business and finance program Asia Business Report and Asia Today Live from Singapore, Monday to Friday. Since June 2011, Hizon has co-presented Newsday, a news bulletin program on the BBC from Singapore with Babita Sharma and Kezia Madera in London. He was also a regular on World Business Report as an Asian business correspondent. In November 2013, Rico presented Newsday live from Tacloban, Philippines following Typhoon Haiyan. In January 2014, Hizon co-presented the BBC Newsday program from New Broadcasting House, London with Babita Sharma in Singapore for a short while. In September 2018, Hizon once again presented from the London newsroom, with Sharanjit Lal taking over presenting duties in Singapore. It was announced that this was only for a single week, with Hizon returning to Singapore for the next week. In March 2020, Hizon formally announced via his Instagram account that he would be leaving BBC News after 17 years. Legal issues. In 2024, a court in Angeles City ordered the arrest of Hizon and his sisters Maria Belen and Bernadette after their eldest brother Nesto filed a case against them for fraud relating an inheritance dispute. The three posted bail of $120,000 each. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.